Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we're drawing
Sheep.
a sheep. Let's go.
Yep.
Izzy, so tell us, what do we need?
We need marker,
A
paper,
marker, paper,
and color.
and colors. Okay. So that's coloring pencils, that's colored markers, whatever you've got at home. So let's start, Izzy.
Yep.
So right here, more to the left hand side of your page, we're going to draw a little fluffy head. And I'm gonna add a little tuft of hair to mine. You wanna do that to yours? No? Are you okay? Okay, that's fine. So now, the side of this poof of fur,
Yes.
what do we call sheepskin? Wool. Poof of wool. Here we go. We're going to add a shape like that.
Okay.
And another shape on the other side like that. You know what that's gonna be?
The ear.
It's gonna be ears. Okay, so from there, we draw another round shape to form a face. Okay, and then from there, put in another shape inside that ear. And another shape inside the other ear. You got your ears?
Yep.
Okay, so we're going to draw big eyes. Are we doing reflections? You want to do reflections in the eyes? Yeah? Okay, so I'm going to draw little reflections in the eyes over there.
Okay.
And then the big pupil. Okay, and now just a little button nose. A little line coming down.
Yes.
And then a big smile. That's your cute little sheep face.
Yep.
Yep, here we go. So now, very easy drawing, easy.
Yeah.
Now we're going to draw just a cloud of wool.
Okay.
So, like, it's like you're drawing a cloud. Just a big fluffy wool shape. And that's our body. That's
Yep.
a sheep body. We can draw little sheep tail coming out the back. Was that okay?
Yep.
Little sheep tail. And now we draw 4 leg shapes. So back there. And one here. And one at the back there. And we'll add little hooves to this.
Yes.
Of course we do. We can just do lines there. And there we have it.
Yep.
You've got enough space for another sheep. And that's our sheep, everybody.
Yep.
Time for color. So easy. We don't need color on
Yeah.
the wool. So we can quickly just
Yeah.
add in colors where we want.
Yeah. Oh, actually, I did one more thing.
Yes?
And you know the bump on your finger.
What about my finger? When did you do this?
Well, before we did it started, I did accidentally.
Okay, so before we got started, you accidentally drew a line on my hand. Okay.
Well, I didn't tell you after the before the coloring.
Okay, so here we go with the color. So, very little color to be used. So, I'm just gonna start with my inside of my ears. Nice and pink and pink and pink and pink. A little sheep. On the inside of the ear there. And my nosy pink. Are you coloring it? Okay, I see what you're doing. It's smart, it's smart. I'm gonna go with black on my hooves, on my sheep feet. What are you doing over there? Still the face? I'm gonna use the same color for the face. Black on the sheep feet. Okay, I'll go with this light gray for the legs. Light gray on the legs. I need to sharpen this one. light grey, light grey, light grey. Okay. Give me that color. Okay. And now I get to do my sheep face. Yep, that's that. And
Yep.
my sheep's gonna have blue eyes. Does that make sense? Not really. It's fine, it's your drawing. You can do what you want. I'm doing blue eyes just to give this drawing a bit of color because most of the drawing is white because the sheep has fluffy white wool.
I didn't make the yeah.
Okay, so you're doing yours black. That's fine. Is that yours? You done?
Yep.
And there we have it, everybody. That's our little sheep. So we just wanted to say Eid Mubarak to everyone celebrating. That's today in South Africa, but probably yesterday all around the world as well. So Eid Mubarak to everyone.
Yes.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.
But you didn't know about that.
Super Younger?
Didn't know about the.
Didn't know what about the sheep.
No, did. On.
Oh, yeah, she'll see that you wrote on my hand.
I didn't.